Hello, I'm Ed Ness, President and CEO of Munson Healthcare. As we continue to respond to the evolving COVID-19 pandemic, I want to update you on additional precautions we're taking and what you can do as a community member to help. As I've mentioned before, the safety of our employees, providers, patients, and community are our absolute top priority. Teams across the Munson Healthcare system continue to meet daily to adjust our response plans to ensure that we have the right practices in place as the COVID-19 becomes more widespread in northern Michigan. Our emergency management teams rely on a variety of pre-existing response plans for different types of disasters. In this case, we're following our pandemic response plan that consists of 5 stages or levels. These levels dictate what measures we put in place and what we do next. For example, for the past few weeks, Munson Healthcare has been operating at the level yellow. This enabled us to do things like restrict visitors, screen providers and employees as they entered our facilities, and cancel non-essential surgeries. On Saturday, April 4th, we elevated our pandemic response level to orange. This means that we're seeing COVID-19 more widespread in our northern Michigan communities. You may have noticed that in the news that many downstate hospitals have already been operating at level orange because the number of COVID-19 cases spiked in their communities sooner than ours. Now that we're seeing more cases, we've entered into level orange. We're implementing additional measures to keep you and our staff safe. First, we're restricting visitors even more so than we've done already. These revised visitor and companion restrictions support infection prevention and help keep our patients, caregivers, and facilities safe. Please visit our website at munsonhealthcare.org for more information on current policies. All visitors with symptoms consistent with COVID-19 are prohibited from entering Munson Healthcare patient care facilities unless they are seeking treatment. We are also implementing a practice called universal masking. This means that every person who is granted access to one of our clinical facilities must wear a mask. Employees and providers who do not have a clinical, business, or operational reason to access a patient care facility are being asked to avoid entry. Every time someone enters unnecessarily, valuable masks will be used up, and those supplies are desperately needed to keep our healthcare team safe. As a visitor, here's what you can expect. First, you still need to pass a health screening by answering questions about your current health status and contact with people exhibiting signs of COVID-19. If you pass, you will be required to wear a mask. If you choose to wear your own hand-sewn mask, it must be clean and not torn. It will be inspected at a screener station. If the mask you bring is not approved or you do not bring your own mask, you will be issued a Munson Healthcare surgical mask. You will be expected to wear this mask at all times and will be provided with specific instructions for how to properly use your mask during your visit. Full instructions are available on munsonhealthcare.org website. You will also be asked to go directly to and from the patient unit you are visiting. Visitors will not be allowed in waiting rooms or cafeterias. We will not be allowing anyone to visit patients who have a confirmed or possible case of COVID-19. This includes patients who are awaiting COVID-19 test results from a local health department, the state of Michigan, or CDC. We understand that connecting with family members is incredibly important. And there are a variety of other ways that we can help you accomplish this, including by phone, email, and text, or by video conferencing through Skype, FaceTime, or Facebook. Please ask for assistance, and our compassionate care team will do the best they can to help you. These are unprecedented times, and I know that it can be scary. We've seen the passing of COVID-19 patients in our northern Michigan communities, and that's really hard to process knowing that this pandemic is now so close to home. I'm humbled and encouraged by the compassionate stories I hear providers and staff caring for patients and family members. I thank you for your ongoing support of our frontline staff. I'll continue to provide you with regular updates on important topics as this situation evolves. Thank you again, and remember to take time to care for yourself and for your families by practicing the guidelines set forth by our local health departments and Munson Healthcare. Continue to practice social distancing, wash your hands frequently, and follow isolation and quarantine protocols as needed, especially if you're arriving in northern Michigan as a seasonal resident. We need your help now more than ever to flatten the curve and reduce the burden on our healthcare system. Together, we will get through this. Thank you.